Present perfect for emotions. Native speakers constantly use present perfect when talking about their emotions. Examples: I've been so stressed about this exam. I've been feeling really down lately. They present perfect tense to show that an emotional state started in the past and is intense right now. Compare these two sentences. I'm frustrated equals I'm stating my current feeling. I've been frustrated all week equals I'm showing this has been building, which makes it more intense. Two forms of present perfect can be used here, and both work the same way emotionally. Form 1, present perfect simple structure. Have/has been plus adjective. Example, I've been frustrated. Note, this structure is not present perfect continuous, although it looks like it because of been. But present perfect continuous requires have/has plus been plus verb ing. Examples, I've been thinking, verb ing. Form 2, present perfect continuous structure. Have/has been plus verb ing. Example, I've been losing sleep. Use this to describe actions that show the emotion. The key point? Both forms show something that started, continued, and is relevant now. So whether you say, I've been sad, simple, naming the emotion, I've been crying, continuous, showing the emotion through action, you're expressing the same idea, accumulated emotion over time. Formula 1. I've been plus adjective. Structure. Have/has been plus emotional adjective. You can use any emotion. Negative emotions. I've been overwhelmed with work. I've been disappointed with the results. Hey, can we talk? I've been frustrated with how this project is going. I think we need a different approach. Positive emotions. I've been happy with how things are going. I've been proud of my progress. You can also use these time expressions with present perfect for emotions. I've been stressed like crazy. I've been worried about you since you didn't answer my calls. I've been frustrated for weeks now. I've been exhausted all day. I've been overthinking this way too much. I've been meaning to call you for ages. I've been passionate about this for as long as I can remember. I've been increasingly frustrated. Prepositions, very important. Native speakers use specific prepositions with specific emotions. Getting this wrong sounds unnatural. Common patterns: frustrated/angry. Frustrated with a person. I've been frustrated with my boss. Frustrated about a situation. I've been frustrated about the delay. Worried/anxious. Worried about something. I've been worried about my exam. Worried for someone. I've been worried for you. Less common. Excited/happy. Excited about. I've been excited about the trip. Happy with. I've been happy with my progress. Happy for someone. I've been happy for you. Their success. Disappointed. Disappointed in a person. I've been disappointed in him. Disappointed with results. I've been disappointed with the results. Disappointed by actions. I've been disappointed by his behavior. I've created a complete reference guide with 100 emotional adjectives and their correct prepositions. You can find the link in the description below. Print it out and keep it handy when you're practicing. Question forms. How natives ask common questions. Have you been feeling okay lately? Have you been stressed about work? How to answer. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. Honestly, I've been really stressed. How to respond when someone shares emotions. Empathy responses. I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds really tough. That must be hard. Do you want to talk about it? What's been stressing you out? I've been feeling the same way. I totally understand. Me too, honestly. What can I do to help? Have you tried? Is there anything I can do? Intensity modifiers, making it stronger/weaker. Making emotions more intense. I've been so stressed. I've been really worried. I've been incredibly excited. I've been extremely frustrated. I've been absolutely exhausted. Making emotions less intense, softer. I've been a bit anxious. I've been kind of worried. I've been a little frustrated. I've been somewhat disappointed. Negative forms. I haven't been. Examples. I haven't been feeling well lately. I haven't been happy with the situation. I haven't been sleeping well. I haven't been myself recently. Common in health contexts. Explaining changes in behavior. Expressing concerns politely. Formula 2. I've been feeling plus adjective/phrase. Present perfect continuous with feeling. Structure. Have/has been feeling plus adjective or phrase. This is more introspective and conversational. Examples. I've been feeling stuck in my career. I've been feeling guilty about not visiting home. I've been feeling out of place at the new job. When to use feeling. Compare. I've been stressed implies direct, factual. I've been feeling stressed implies softer, more reflective. Use feeling in deeper conversations with close friends, therapists, or when you're being introspective. Context example. With a close friend. I've been feeling really disconnected from everyone lately. I don't know if it's me pulling away or if we're all just busy. Formula 3. I've been plus structure. Have/has been plus verb ing. This is powerful because you're showing the emotion through behavior, not just naming it. Worry/anxiety. I've been losing sleep over this problem. I've been second-guessing myself constantly. Excitement. I've been counting down the days until vacation. I've been telling everyone about this news. Sadness. I've been crying every night since the breakup. I've been avoiding social events. I've been staying home more than usual. Anger/frustration. I've been avoiding talking to him. I've been losing my patience with this. I've been complaining to everyone about this. Context example. To a friend. I've been overthinking this job offer. One minute I want it, the next minute I'm worried it's wrong. I've been losing sleep over it. Formula 4. I've had plus noun. Structure. Have/has had plus emotion-related noun. This shows accumulated thoughts or reaching a limit. Examples. I've had enough of this behavior. Breaking point. I've had doubts about this relationship. Context example. Professional setting. I need to be honest. I've had reservations about this marketing strategy from the start, and the results are confirming my concerns. Personal setting. I've had doubts about us for a while now. I think we need to talk about where this relationship is going. Build your own expression. 4 simple steps. 1. Name the emotion. Tired? Excited? Angry? Confused? 2. Has it been building over time? Yes equals present perfect. No equals simple present/past. 3. Pick your formula. I've been, adjective. I've been feeling, phrase. I've been, verb ing. I've had, noun. 4. Add context. I've been stressed implies I've been stressed about work. Never leave it incomplete. I've been stressed about my final exams. I've been thinking about what you said, and you're right. Quick example. You've been working 60-hour weeks and you're exhausted. Using the system. Formula 1. I've been exhausted from working so much. Formula 2. I've been feeling burnt out lately. Formula 3. I've been working 60 hours every week. Formula 4. I've had concerns about my work-life balance. All correct. Choose based on what you want to emphasize. Practice scenarios. Scenario 1. Your neighbor's dog barks loudly every night at 2 a.m. This has been happening for 2 weeks. You're angry and tired. Possible answers. I've been frustrated with this noise every night. I've been feeling exhausted from lack of sleep. I've been losing sleep because of your dog. I've had enough of this barking. Scenario 2. You've been wanting to learn Spanish for 5 years, but you keep postponing it. You finally decided to start. Possible answers. I've been wanting to learn Spanish for years. I've been feeling guilty about not starting. I've been putting this off for too long. I've had intentions to learn Spanish. Scenario 3. Your best friend just got her dream job. You're genuinely happy for her, and you've been following her journey for months. Possible answers. I've been so excited for you. I've been feeling proud watching your journey. I've been rooting for you this whole time. I've been hoping you'd get this opportunity.